In Yui's dream, the tree is now in full bloom and flowers are falling everywhere. Back to reality, at the Mukami mansion, Ruki comes to Yui's room and gives her a uniform. He tells Yui to change quickly, which means she will be allowed to go to school. Then Yui and the four Mukami boys go to school together. The boys go to the classroom and let Yui go wherever she wants. While walking in the hallway, Yui accidentally bumps into Reiji. He says that everyone was very worried about her. Then he asks where Yui has been all this time. Yui explains that she was kidnapped by the Mukami boys. Reiji forgives her. Then Leto and Kanato appear. Leto says that Yui was cruel to leave them to go to the Mukami house. He says that it made him sick. Yui apologizes to them. Then Leto says that Ayato has been looking for her all this time. Reiji sighs that Ayato didn't even come to school because Ayato ran away from home. Just as Yui was about to ask how Ayato was, the Sakamaki brothers disappeared. Elsewhere, Yuma is walking up the stairs, and Shu is sleeping in the way. Yuma orders him to get out of the way, but Shu still sits there and refuses to leave. The two exchange cold glances. Then Yuma reluctantly walks past Shu. Yui is walking down the hallway, and Yui sees Ku surrounded by girls. Yui is surprised by Ku's popularity, but her train of thought is interrupted when Subaru appears and grabs her hand. Subaru then pulls her up to the rooftop. He asks Yui if this is what she wants, to be with the Mukami family. Yui tries to find an answer, but can't get any words out and she stays silent. Suddenly, Ku appears and tells Yui not to answer anything. Ku sees that Subaru seems angry, so Ku says that Subaru has fallen in love with Yui, but Subaru denies. Ku's artificial eye glows red, and he says that Subaru is dishonest. Then Ku hugs her tightly from behind and challenges Subaru to come and take her. When Subaru doesn't make any move, Ku is about to take Yui away when suddenly Subaru grabs her arm and pulls her back. He pulls her shirt down and starts sucking her blood. As Subaru sucks her blood, Ku watches, seemingly amused. Then Subaru releases Yui, causing her to fall to the ground and he leaves. After he leaves, Ku grabs Yui to check the bite mark. With a smirk, he assures Yui that he will disinfect her, and he does so by biting her in the exact same spot that Subaru bit her before. Ku tells Yui that even though Subaru has sucked her blood, he will continue to suck her blood until she forgets the pain Subaru caused her. She tells him to stop and starts to resist, but Ku grabs her other hand and presses it to the ground. As Yui's consciousness slowly fades, Ku declares that he will not hand her over to the Sakamaki family.